but there is absolutely no record of an arrest, and I will be suing the Naperville Police Office for this arrest, and this officer is part and parcel of that. You want to tell me your name yet?
On the 8th of July, 2023, in Naperville, Illinois, officers responded to a domestic dispute resulting in a specialized arrest.
Come on, out of the car. Out of the car, please. Out of the car, please. We're conducting an investigation. I need you to step out of the car. You're not going anywhere. Okay? You understand?
Back up to my garage.
Nope. You're gonna step out of the vehicle right now, please. Thank you.
Are you okay with taking or figuring out her side while I finish this?
Tell me that you're going inside. Don't just start walking into your house. You're being completely ridiculous.
Would you like some ID?
Okay. Why don't you have a seat on the ground?
You asked for
Why don't
me.
you, ma'am?
You asked me for some ID. Yes or no?
Well, because you have your purse on you.
I went to go get you some ID.
I've got
Were you
enough
here
for.
yesterday?
I was not. I was.
Could
wanting to
I
see
go
the
get
notes to
him
see-
some ID?
I don't need an ID right now, ma'am. I'd really appreciate it though if you could hang tight for a second. Can we do that, please? I would really appreciate
He
that.
asked me for some ID.
I understand.
I am trying to comply with the person who has threatened to arrest me if I do not comply.
Well, ma'am, I'm here now. And
Can
I'm asking,
I
No.
No.
Get
No.
my ID.
No, ma'am. I'm asking you nicely to please just take a minute right here. I've got a video
He wants
And
me
injury.
to get
So
my
if
ID.
this is going to go south, we can just hook
He
for the
wants
95.
me to get some
or we can
ID.
detain,
May
I
I
can
get
try to-
Know her name?
some ID?
No, I don't
Yes
have that.
or no? Do you
No,
have
ma'am.
that on your
But if-
video?
but if she's
that
gonna
he
continue like this,
do
we can
you
just do
have
it.
that on your video
So-
that he asked me for some ID?
No, ma'am, I was not present.
Ma'am, what's your name? What's your name, ma'am?
What's on your ID? What's on your video?
So I'm comfortable with the video I just watched and with the obvious signs of injury.
All right,
I
ma'am,
will
go ahead and
go.
turn around.
This
Put your
is
hands
my
on
You're
your
house.
under arrest right now.
Why?
You're under
Drop your
arrest
purse.
Why?
for domestic battery. I need
Drop
you to
your purse.
stop tensing
Why?
up. I need you to
your
stop
purse.
tensing
Why?
up.
Drop your purse.
Ma'am,
Why?
I need you to stop.
Domestic battery
Drop your
Okay.
because
purse, or you're
why?
gonna get
I need you to
an
stop.
assault charge for resisting. I need you to stop.
Domestic battery because why?
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna
Ma'am,
drop
I
your
need you to
purse.
just loosen up.
You're gonna drop your purse.
Okay.
Ma'am, I don't want to hurt you. Please drop your purse.
Please tell me why I
Please
am
drop your
under.
purse.
Please tell me why I'm
Ma'am,
under arrest
I advised
for
you-
domestic battery. Are you taping this?
Of course we are.
Are you taping this? You told me you were taping this.
We are.
Are you taping this?
Yes, we are. Let go of your purse.
Why am I under arrest for domestic battery? I
grab my
have
hand.
asked
Let go.
multiple
Don't grab my hand.
times. I have asked
Those tighten up on that side.
multiple times
I've got a
why I am under arrest
You're gonna hurt
for
yourself.
domestic
You're gonna hurt
battery.
yourself, ma'am.
You're
I
gonna
don't
hurt
want
Could
that.
someone tell me?
You battered your
Anyone?
child.
I have a video and obvious signs of injury, ma'am. That's why you're under arrest right now.
Injury of what kind?
That's not locked in.
It's locked, but
Okay, yeah. It's just gonna move tight in.
yeah, I don't want it to.
Yeah.
Who are you all? Please give your names
We're the
for
police.
the video. Please give your names for the video.
Our names are attached to our video.
Please
trying not to poke
give
her.
your names for the video.
Ma'am, if you stop tensing up, it's going to be a lot more comfortable for you.
Not tensing up,
You are. That's why this
Not-
keeps going into your back.
tensing up,
Ma'am, I'm like holding your body up over here.
not
Here,
tensing
It's wedged
up.
in there. She keeps. There
There.
we go.
Okay. Ma'am, do you have anything on you that I need to be concerned about? Any knives, needles?
I would just get her ID or something to wallet
Yeah.
out of there because they're not going to mix up the whole purse at county most likely.
No. Yeah.
She was starting to walk inside for her ID, so I doubt it's in here. But
Are you able to stand up without me supporting
You know
you?
what, just bring that whole thing because if she needs a credit card to bond out.
No.
Okay. We're not going to play the game. Listen, recovery position. Here we go. There you go. Ma'am, are you okay?
I'm gonna get the bus.
Oh, 1 second. Stand by, Sarge.
Our eyes are open. Keep thinking.
Yep.
Okay. Are you gonna walk like an adult?
Check her pulse. I mean, she's breathing. She's fine.
Yeah.
Come on up. Get her in the car.
What's her name?
Don't know. Never got
Is that ID? Oh, that was an ID.
Oh, I have her. Yeah, I do have her ID. Let her take a rest.
Donna, I can see you moving.
Donna, we know you're okay because you're breathing and your eyes keep opening. So let's get you stood up. Let's get you to the car.
Donna, do you want to get up nice and easy for me?
Donna, it's time to be an adult.
We're not going to sleep now, Donna. She still had those smelling salts.
What do those do when you're not passed out?
It's a bad smell.
It's very
Yeah.
unpleasant.
It pops your eyes.
Yeah.
Donna, why are we doing this? Let's get up like an adult and let's go to the car.
Okay, ready?
Want to just pick her up or what do you guys want to do?
Go over to her butt first. Okay.
Come on, Donna, we're walking.
Moving your feet just fine.
There we go. Good job. We can both carry
I
your
was gonna
shoulders if
say-
you carry your feet.
Yep.
Right.
Boss,
Yep.
you want to grab her feet?
Yeah, I'll grab her feet.
Can you just circle around maybe? Or, I can do the feet if you
I
wanted
thought you
the
guys
bod.
were going to go this way and then I'll take the feet for you.
Oh, I definitely don't
No.
feel comfortable having it be
Yeah,
face down.
not that way.
I'm gonna make
Not
that.
that way.
All right. There you go. Hold on. I'm going to stretch her move. Make this a little easier.
Got it.
Oh, she keeps moving her leg away from me.
This is like one of those bad videos for soccer when they can't carry a player off the field. Oh,
Well, I want to support both of her shoulders.
yeah. Okay.
She's not very helpful here.
I feel so bad, Connor.
No, I'm saying on purpose.
Do you want to just sit her here and I'll pull up my squad?
Sure.
Did you? I still need him.
Yeah, I just told them to
Hang tight.
bring her
Okay.
purse and
Oh, purse. Got it. Okay, cool.
into the house.
Let me just hold on.
This legal analysis examines the Fourth Amendment implications and the tactical realities of passive resistance. Under the Fourth Amendment, a warrantless arrest is constitutional if supported by probable cause. In Illinois, domestic battery under Statute 720, ILCS 512-3.2, often necessitates a mandatory arrest. The presence of visible injuries and digital video evidence establishes the gold standard for probable cause. According to Pennsylvania v. Mims, officers may lawfully order a driver to exit a vehicle during a stop. Attempting to retreat into a private residence to avoid a lawful arrest constitutes a significant flight risk. While Payton v. New York restricts warrantless home entry, exceptions exist for hot pursuit in public view. The subject's transition into dead weight is classified legally and tactically as passive resistance. Illinois Statute 720 ILCS 531-1 defines resisting or obstructing a peace officer as a criminal offense. Passive resistance involves physical noncompliance that, while nonviolent, obstructs lawful duties. Graham v. Connor dictates that the reasonableness of force is judged from the officer's perspective on scene. Carrying a non-compliant subject by their limbs is a lawful application of minimal force to effect arrest. The subject's demands for Miranda rights at the moment of arrest reflect a common legal misunderstanding.
Donna, why are you doing this? You're okay.
Nothing in her pockets.
She's still breathing. All right, Donna.
Ready
Come on. Roll up.
Yep, you're walking.
Good job, Donna.
You're walking. I'd ask if you want shoes, but you're not going to.
We gotta get butt first.
Yeah.
Can you put out her legs, Edie?
Take me.
Donna, you're adding charges here. You're resisting.
Passive resisting is the same. Donna, you need to.
You're gonna be audio video recorded while you're in the back of my squad car.
Wow.
Great work. That was really.
She was feeling a dead weight for sure.
I just need to collect a little bit more
Yeah.
from him. She's not going anywhere.
He's opened her eyes numerous times, so she sees me standing there and she closes her.
Well, yeah, and she's
And I,
breathing normally.
she did have the seatbelt across her neck, so I pulled her this way, and as soon as I pulled her this way, she goes.
Yeah.
That's what I tried to not have it, but it's better to have it on her torso. I mean,
Yeah, so I rearranged it, but she was able to work it, so it's flung back up in her neck. I think it's right along the side now. I don't think it's across her neck anymore.
Okay.
okay.
All right, I'll
Thanks.
meet you in there.
Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. Hey.
You want me to come too?
Well, no, I was just gonna say, great work here.
I mean, she's probably gonna have to be carried into the cell.
I mean, you can either look at it as there will be an entertaining video of me trying to carry her dead weight,
I'm coming.
or you
I
could
have
be
to go
involved.
passive PD anyway.
Robert 22, I just need one more person because she's twice my size. Just need one person to help me. 22, I'm en route to the jail.
Could you please tell me why I'm under arrest? Could you please tell me why I'm under arrest? Not one single person has told me why I am under arrest. Not one single person has read me my rights. Not one single person has told me why I am in the back of a squad car. Could you, the driver of the squad car, please tell me?
I'll help. I really, guys.
Could you please just tell me why I'm in here? Could you, Madame Officer, please tell me why I am in this car?
Yes, ma'am. I told you you're under arrest. Okay, we're going to the Naperville jail.
For what?
For domestic battery charge, ma'am.
Why?
Because you battered your son and it's on video with obvious signs of injury. Yes, ma'am. It's not up to debate. It's been done. I have the probable cause for the arrest. We'll be going to do some paperwork, okay?
Not okay.
Okay.
Could you please tell me your name, officer? I'm sorry you are choking on your latte. Could you please tell me your name, officer?
Ma'am, you've been provided our names.
I have not been provided anybody's names, including yours. Could you please provide me the names? And by the way, when you say I was provided your name, how was I provided your name? Because I have absolutely no belongings of mine with me. What is your name, officer, the one who has arrested me and who is driving me to jail? Please provide your name for the tape. Okay, we all know that everything in this car is taped, and now we know that this female officer who has blonde hair in a bun and who has earrings that hang down to her shoulders, and I do not know her name, but we all know that this officer is not willing to provide her name, even though she is driving me to the police station on a Friday afternoon in July. And she is saying that I am under arrest, but there is absolutely no record of an arrest. And I will be suing the Naperville Police office for this arrest. And this officer is part and parcel of that. You want to tell me your name yet? Which is illegal for the tape. There is absolutely no grounds for my arrest. And she and every
fellow officer knows it, and she nor any fellow officer will give their names. You want to give me your name? I guess that's a no. And my lawyer will be subpoenaing this tape, and he will have your picture, and he will know your name, and you will not look good. Dear God, tell me again why I'm in your car. And this person, who hopes she can remain nameless, has absolutely nothing to say about why I am in her car, because there is no reason for me to be in this car. Do you disagree? And again, she will not talk because she does not want my lawyer to identify her, but I guarantee I can identify her in any lineup at any point in time. And by the way, everybody knows, this is for the tape, that it is illegal to take somebody from their home without telling them why. And this police officer, who will not give me her name, will also not tell me why. And everything about this is illegal. Want to tell me your name?
She's awake.
What's her name? What's her name?
Time to walk.
What's her name?
Time to walk.
Donna, you're getting into
What?
charges.
You're going
Her
to get more
name.
charges if you don't stop. Time to walk.
What's her name?
Walk.
What are my charges, by the way, because nobody has told me a single charge. Got your face in my brain.
100 feet apart.
Stand still and spread your feet.
Don't resist. You understand?
To fully, Miranda warnings are required specifically for custodial interrogation, not as a prerequisite for physical capture. Due process was satisfied as officers clearly communicated the charges of domestic battery multiple times. Threats of civil litigation face the high hurdle of the qualified immunity doctrine in federal courts. The officers receive a grade of A- for maintaining professionalism and tactical restraint. The subject receives a grade of F for escalating a domestic incident into criminal obstruction. Lesson 1. Digital evidence and visible trauma provide irrefutable probable cause for immediate detention. Lesson 2. Domestic battery statutes in many jurisdictions mandate arrest to prevent further physical violence. Lesson 3. Passive resistance, such as going limp, results in additional charges of criminal obstruction. Lesson 4. Miranda rights are a shield against self-incrimination during questioning, not a bar to arrest. Lesson 5. Sovereign-style legal theories and magic words will not dissolve valid handcuffs or warrants. Tactically, going limp increases the risk of joint injury and forces officers to treat you as an object. The legal system relies on objective facts and statutes rather than individual feelings of indignation. Compliance during a lawful arrest is the only path to effectively challenging the case in a court of law. As demonstrated here, gravity and the law are both undefeated when a suspect chooses to stop cooperating. The state of Illinois provides accommodations for those who refuse to walk, a jail cell, and a court date. Please share your thoughts on this interaction and legal analysis in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more deep dives into constitutional law and tactics. Be sure to visit our channel for more unedited law enforcement interactions. Justice is best served when citizens understand their rights and the legal obligations of the police.